Hey guys, it's Imani, and today I'm going to be telling you guys about Dr. Dennis Gross' newest edition, the Meltaway Cleanser. I have acne-prone combination skin, so it's been really hard for me to find products that work for me and don't break me out, especially with my melanin as well. What I love about this cleanser is that it's super easy to use. All you have to do is put it on your face when you have makeup, whatever, and just to get all of that dirt off, you just rub it off thoroughly, and it works like a charm. And guess what? You don't need to rinse it off. Amazing, right? I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. I usually take just a little bit on my fingers, then I just put it down, and I rub it in my hands just a little bit so it can lather. And it feels really soft. It's super easy to use, and it's slippery, and it just feels nice. It feels kind of like a gel cleanser in a way, and I love that. You just rub it on your face like this. I'm gonna rub it all around to get the makeup off, and it feels really good. Like, if you know about double cleansing, then you know you usually should do this. But I like this because you don't even need to double cleanse with this cleanser. You can just use it in one, and it gets all of the dirt out right away. So I took off all of the makeup with the cleanser, just wiped it off a little bit with my cloth just to make sure everything was gone. And it's all gone. I feel clean, refreshed, which is great because with a lot of other cleansers, I don't usually get that. And the fact that you can use this as your only cleanser is pretty cool. It gets off all of your makeup and you're basically done. Just continue with your rest of your skincare routine.